welcome back. So we have a sort of special one today. My favorite place in the whole wide world is Hawaii. Some of the best cocktails I have ever had the pleasure of drinking have been in Hawaii. So I thought we could try our hand on making a couple of my favorite cocktails that I drank there. My very favorite cocktail ever is the Pina Colada. Anything that has, coconut, creamy, I am there, coconut, everything, right? And we had the pleasure of trying, they call it a lava flow. It is a pina colada with like a strawberry puree through it. And chef's kiss. It's just like a level up of the pina colada. So I thought, let's try both. We will make one of each and then we'll give a taste test and see which one is our favorite and if I did them any justice. Let's give this a go. So I have cheated a little and I do have a pina colada mix. I have tried to make it from scratch and let me just say, I did not do it justice. It was not great, but this is the key, for me anyway. So we are going to make a double batch of the frozen pina colada. So you need 2 cups of ice. So I have 4 cups of ice in my blender here. And now we need 120 ml of the mix. So again, I'm doing a double. So we need 8 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That seemed excessive, didn't it? But again, double batch. Okay, now we need 60 ml of rum. Just plain white rum because all the coconut flavor is already in this mix. So we need 4 of these because my shot is 30 ml. I will have a visitor popping in to come and taste these. Okay, so that's all we need for the pina colada mix. I'm going to go blend this until it's nice and smooth, and then we will do the next step. And I'm back with the most delicious pina colada mix. It is like slushy in here. Smells divine. So for the normal pina colada, it's just nothing else in the glass. You just pour it in. But first things first, we need to add 60 ml of my strawberry mix to the bottom of 1 glass. Oh, this smells so good. I can smell it from here. So this is going to be the lava flow. It's such a pretty drink to look at too. Okay, let's pour these. Look at that. Perfect 2 glasses worth. So there we have the pina colada, and there we have the lava flow. which one is going to be the best. Oh, they both smell divine. I'm gonna get a taste tester in. And here he is.
I'm gonna sit.
You can't see his head otherwise.
Can in that one. No.
Okay.
What am I doing, both?
Yep. You get a taste both.
Oh god. It's gonna go up my nose.
They both smell divine. I'm gonna taste this one now. Cheers.
Really need a straw.
Oh yeah.
For me, it's hard to tell. Yeah.
Let me taste this one.
I'm a big strawberry person, so I think for me,
The strawberry just gives it that little
bit
bit.
of sweet.
Yeah.
Like that's sweet, but that one's just got that extra. I know in Hawaii these were our favourite over Pina Coladas, depending where you went. But that at the moment over that is hands down above it.
Don't get me wrong, I will drink either one. Absolutely
Oh, definitely.
great. But I agree, the lava flow just has that little bit of extra something. Kat's just coming to say hi. So that is our Pina Colada, the winner, lava flow. But I totally recommend giving both a try and let me know what one is your favorite.
And if you get them in Hawaii, where you like them from.
Oh my gosh, yes. For me, Turtle Bay was one of...
I think that was our first lava flow.
Yeah, it was. Turtle Bay was like, hands down, one of the best cocktails we have ever had, and we drank a lot of them.
A lot, yeah.
We did get a bad lava flow at one place. I'm not going to say where. Because
one of the ones in Waikiki, it wasn't very...
It's just that it was chunky.
Yeah.
Okay?
Usually it's puree like this.
Yeah.
Theirs was not. It was like chunky straw. You couldn't drink it with the straw. It was just chunky and it was consistently gross.
Yeah.
Most of the drinks I actually made that night weren't too crash hot.
No. One of the next cocktails that I'm going to make is going to be a favorite from a restaurant called the Monkey Pod.
It'll be their recipe too.
Yeah,
The Mai Tai with honey foam.
Oh my gosh, it was chef's kiss. So I will collect up all the ingredients and I will make sure we get that recipe to you ASAP. But until then, aloha Hawaii. We love your cocktails. If you have any cocktail ideas of what you drank in Hawaii, comment them down below because I would love to make them for you.
And we will be back in Hawaii hopefully soon. So keep an eye out. We've still got videos from past trips to come up, but we'll definitely be bringing more and getting back soon to see our friends. And
we haven't been in like, what, 6-7 months?
Yeah, it's been a while.
We are itching.
We're coming back.
Itching. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Thank you.
Cheers.